Nature reels are blowing up online, especially on Instagram. Take this faceless account for example. It's skyrocketed to over 800,000 followers in just months, and it's making thousands of dollars every month. In this video, I'll break down exactly how they're doing it, with proof on how you can do the same. Here's the best part, making videos like these takes just a few minutes. No scripts, no voiceovers, no stress. To get started, you'll only need 3 tools. 1. A collection of prompts. 2. Text-to-image AI app. And 3. Image-to-video AI app. I've shared the best prompts in my description, but there's a catch. If you skip this video, you'll miss the secret sauce to making them work and how to make this into a money-making machine. You won't know how to use the prompts properly and your results won't look the same. Stick around until the last part and I'll show you how you can easily make $5,000 a month with videos just like these. Step 1 is to generate AI images. To make a similar video, the first step is to generate AI images. For this, we'll use an incredible tool called Leonardo AI. Visit Leonardo AI, link provided in the video description. Quickly sign in using your Google account. Once you log in, you'll be greeted by a page showcasing mind-blowing AI-generated images. This tool is not completely free, but you get 150 free credits daily with a basic account. That is more than enough for what you need. Click on Image Creation and you'll see a text box where you can enter prompts. For example, a prompt like, a majestic waterfall plunging into a crystal clear pool surrounded by vibrant emerald green moss. Check out the description for the rest of the prompt, will give you stunning results. I've created a list of proven prompts that you can find in the video description. Simply copy and paste these prompts into the box. You can also modify them to create unique variations. For better results, make sure you select the right aspect ratio. Choose 9:16 for vertical reels or 2:3 for the other uses. Select the anime preset to enhance the output. Once you hit generate, Leonardo AI will create an image in just a few seconds. Here are some examples of what I created. If you use Midjourney AI, you can input the same prompts to create even higher quality images. Midjourney offers an advanced level of detail, which is ideal if you're targeting premium visual results. If you need more prompts, you can join my free newsletter when I share more sauce. Now that we have our images, the second step is to turn them into animated videos. To do this, we are going to use Leonardo AI. Select the image you just created. Click on the small icon labeled Generate Motion Video. Wait a few seconds for the animation to process. Also, don't forget to test different animations to see what you like best. Here's an example of the result. This is pretty nice! If you're not satisfied with the animation, you can try Immersity AI. This tool specializes in converting images into smooth animated videos. Sign into Immersity AI. There are free and cheap paid plans that are available. Upload your AI-generated image. Use the settings on the right-hand side to adjust the animation style. Don't forget to test different animations to see what you like best. For example, you could use the cinematic zoom option to add a dramatic effect, or you can experiment with pan and tilt for a more dynamic look. Once you're satisfied, export the animation. If your video is too short, don't worry, we'll fix that in the next step. Step 3 is editing the video. Editing is where you can make your video stand out. You can use any video editing tool, but I like to use CapCut. It's free and available for all devices. I like to edit on my laptop or my phone when I'm on the go. Duplicate clips to extend the video length. Add transitions between clips to make it seamless and no one notices. Adjust the video speed to create a more captivating flow. Pretty neat, right? You can also add background music. I recommend using trending tracks from Instagram. This increases the chances of your video going viral in a few days or maybe even hours. Now, let's talk about how they make money with their Instagram account. If you take a look at their bio, they have a link where they sell different things. You, my friend, are probably making money from your one job, but they're making money in multiple ways. Let's break it down. 1. Selling digital products. They sell AI-generated images as wallpapers. You're probably wondering why are people buying these images when they can make it themselves? Here's the truth. While AI tools are accessible to most people, writing effective prompts remains a challenge. As you can see, they have sold over 1,000 of this wallpaper. 52 sold of this wallpaper with a bunch of gears on the wall. Pretty unique. 53 sold of this bright image with a white house and pink flowers. And that's not all. They have many more designs available, with prices averaging around $3 per wallpaper. But here's where it gets even more interesting. Imagine combining this strategy with selling a high-ticket product. For example, a course that not only teaches how to create stunning AI visuals, but also dives into branding, growing your social media, making money from affiliate marketing, YouTube automation, and more. This kind of product opens up massive earning potential, especially with recurring profit opportunities. If this piques your curiosity, check the video description for more details on UBC. With a similar account, you can generate the same revenue, if not more. If you sell just 10 courses a month, that's $5,000 in earnings. With 20 sales, you could hit $10,000 per month. This isn't difficult if you know how to brand, grow your audience, and sell. Of course, it takes time, but all you have to do is get started. I hope you learned how to make money with a faceless Instagram. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel so I can put you more on some game. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.